All right, today's Saturday something, I don't know what day it is. Getting my satellite internet installed here finally. I'm actually going to have communications here after 5 months of living in the woods. Today's a very big day. Sadly, this tree over here, I think it's a pin oak, it's fixing to come down. I'm going to get out there and get after it here in a minute. And we're actually going to try to capture this one coming down, because everybody says I cut trees down and I never show them going hitting the ground. So I got an assistant videographer today. That's Captain Kirk over there. All right, here we go. Okay, as you can see, I got the Hobo up on the hill. In a little while, when the sun goes down a bit, I'm going to take it off the truck. Got my Usenet satellite internet. The damn thing works pretty good. Been doing speed tests on it here Saturday afternoon. I think my slowest download was 27 or 24. Fastest download was, I think, 37.5. Upload right now is like nothing. It's like 0.07. I'm doing an upload video right now and it says it's going to take 40 minutes. But I got internet and I got back to connected to the living world, and this is a really big day. Okay, that's it. I got the off-grid internet installed. I'll be watching more YouTube and uploading a ton of videos on how the grouse is going. This time next week, this will be completely done. All the doors will be unlockable, and the big camper will be up in the backside. So right now I got some gravel to spread. All right, that's it. Off-grid internet is up and running on the Off-Grid Tennessee build. Over and out. Woohoo! What a big day for me. All right, later.